I'm up, total return $309. And so I placed this one yesterday. Okay, so again, family, we want to search for opportunities where we can win. So hey, what's up, family? My name is Brehon and I would like to welcome you guys back to the channel where we love focusing on our own financial and personal development. Now, family, I hope you guys are having a great day in the market. I know I am. As you can see, I'm all smiles today. The market is tumbling, but as you know, we always search for ways where we can make money. We always search for ways where we can win in a losing market. And so, family, I hope you guys have been listening to the channel, jumping in some of the plays and just pretty much learning and soaking up a little game. All right. Now, today, again, I'm back on the same two plays. I'm going to talk about the SPY and I'm going to talk about SH. All right. Look, before I get into it, hey, man, hit that like and hit that subscribe button. OK. And if you're looking for some nice t-shirts, man, I got a nice bunch of t-shirts. They're sold on Amazon, shipped to your home in 1 to 2 days. All right. Now listen, family, let's get into a couple of options that I've placed. All right, I've been in one for a while and I placed one yesterday. Okay, when the market was up, it was green, we were up pretty good. I said, oh man, this isn't gonna last, because we do things based on technicals. And if you've been watching my videos, I say that, you know, a lot of things move on technicals and a lot of things move on news. So we had some news yesterday. And but before I get into that, let me take a look at these options that I'm currently in. And so as of right now, I've been in this 175 put option for quite some time. You know, I jumped in it last week and I was up around 30-40%. And yesterday we had that pop up in the market. I was down to about like a 9% gain, but I knew, based on technicals, based on news, and based on how the world is going, it was only going to be a temporary bounce. Right. All right. So I'm up 49%. And then yesterday I saw that we were up pretty good. So I said, hey, this isn't sustainable. So I'm going to place another put option on the SPY. And so I put a $250 put option expiring January 20, 2023. I am up 23% on that account. I'm up 49%. I'm sorry, on this option. I'm up 49, over 50% on this option here. Also, and then my my Robinhood account, my son's account that I'm growing for him, that I eventually pass on to him, I placed a put option. 250 put expiring 1/20/23, and so I'm up, total return $309. And so I placed this one yesterday. Okay, so again, family, we want to search for opportunities where we can win. So there are stocks you can invest in, or you can place these put options. All right, so let's take a look at SH. And if you've been following this channel, you know that SH is the pro shares short, right? So what they do, as the SPY is trending down, SH is trending up, right? And so a few days ago, I had bought in here, and then I saw this huge gap up. And I was telling people, oftentimes we don't want to chase, because when you have a huge gap up like this, we usually have another leg down. But I was totally shocked to have another positive day up, right? And so again, I was sitting on the sidelines and I said, hey, I don't want to make any more changes because we may come back down here, right? And so yesterday we came, let me see, June 15th. Yep. So yesterday, SH actually was down because the SPY was up, right? And so as you see here, we have a nice trend line, and based on this trend line, I was expecting us to hit the trend line, bounce back up, and have a further downward movement. But man, we've actually broken through the trend line and we're continuing downward movement. We have even more further downward movement on the MACD, which is confirmation that we were going to have further downward movement. Now, I said that once we have this huge gap down, I said we don't want to jump into a play because it's possible that it can jump back up a little bit just to recover, close up this gap. But we had consecutive days down. And, with the market, you're going to have some green days, right? So you're not going to always have all red days. And so when you take a look here, right, you take a look, man, there's a mix of red and green, right? There's a mix of red and green. So people are always going to take profits, right? There's always going to be a little sell-off, but very rarely, like back here, we've had a bunch of green days, but you still have a red candle in between. And so when we look in here, man, this is amazing. And so we did have a nice little bump yesterday. The Fed came out 0.75% rate increase, right? And so the market felt like, well, now we have an idea of how the future is going to go. But I expected us to get back up here anyway, regardless of the meeting they had yesterday, because that's basically what we do, right? Technicals, stocks never move too far away from that 20. So if you've been following the channel, you know that 20 SMA, which is the black line here, is the king of all indicators. In plays, stocks, cryptos never move too far away from the 20 SMA, right? And so, but man, we are having a strong downward trend. And the blue line here is the 8 SMA. So we have the 8 simple moving average and the 20 simple moving average. And we had a nice bump up. And when I saw this, I saw that we were up. The SPY was up over $5. I immediately placed a put option because I know this isn't sustainable. All right, there's too much bad news out there. Housing prices are ridiculous. Food prices is ridiculous. Gas prices is ridiculous. So the price of everything is going up. Why would the market go up? No, the market is going to do the exact opposite. The market is going to trend down because people will have less money to spend, right? And so this, the economy moves based on the amount of money people have to spend. And if they don't have the money to spend, the market will struggle. It's just that simple. All right. Now, we are sitting pretty, family. What do I expect going forward? Now, I'm going to hold on to my puts because I think we are going to continue going lower. But again, we may have some green days. So Thursday's a nice bearish day. We might have a slightly bullish day tomorrow, right? So I could take all my profits right now. We have a bullish day and I can jump back in on Monday, but we'll see what happens. I may sell these options depending on, I may sell one or two based on the performance within the next few hours. Or I may just let it ride, right? I'm thinking long term. I think that the SPY is going to go all the way down below 300. That's what I'm thinking. And so that's going to be some phenomenal gains for me. But that's what I believe. I believe the SPY, we are trending down so much that I think we can hit 2020 levels. Let me see here. So in 2020, we hit 250, right? In April of 2020, we hit 250. In January of 2019, we were at 250. So I really believe that we can get back. We can get back to that 250 mark, right? And so, so listen, put options with the SPY. You can invest in SH, right? SH, you can buy some shares. Now, when we look at SH, remember, nothing really gets too far away from that 20 SMA. So I expect a little bounce back down before continuing to run up. Now, I could be shocked because these consecutive candles really, really shocked me, right? But again, based on principles, based on what I've always spoke, we never move too far away from that 20. We're going to get up, we're going to bounce back, right? We're going to get up, we're going to bounce back, move over, bounce back, fall below, bounce back. And so we are getting too far above there, but I expect a small bounce back And then we're going to continue to the next leg up. And so we're at 17 now. We're going to be hitting 30. I know we're going to hit 30. That's a given. Now, I don't know how far we're going to go above 30, but I know we're going to hit at least $30. SH will hit 30. You could bank on that one. Now, family, I hope you guys have enjoyed the information. If you did, hey, man, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.